Agents are more than just a new tech buzzword. They're changing how we automate, how we work, and how machines make decisions. But what exactly happens inside an agent? In this video, we open the black box and explain how agents plan, think, and act. Let's start with a definition. An agent is a software entity that takes actions to achieve a goal. It can reason, plan, adapt, and sometimes even collaborate with other agents or tools. Unlike traditional automation, agents aren't told exactly what to do. They're given a goal and they figure out how to reach it. Think of it like this. If traditional software is a calculator, an agent is a problem solver. It's like upgrading from a vending machine to a personal assistant. So how does an agent actually work? There are usually 5 key components. 1, goal or objective, what it's trying to achieve. 2, perception. It observes the environment or input data. 3, reasoning engine. It decides what to do next. 4, action executor. It carries out tasks or calls tools. 5, memory. It stores what it has done or learned. This loop happens continuously. Perceive, think, act, learn. Some advanced agents also include feedback mechanisms to revise their plan based on changing conditions. Unlike static bots, agents can plan their steps. Planning means figuring out what actions are needed to reach the goal. For example, if an agent's task is to book a meeting with 3 people, it might asterisk check calendars, send availability requests, wait for responses, follow up with reminders, confirm, and send invites. It decides the order of steps based on logic, conditions, and even real-time data. Modern agents often use language models to help with this planning in natural language. This type of dynamic planning is what allows agents to be flexible in complex environments. Agents don't work in isolation. They can use tools, APIs, or connect to external systems. This might include conducting web searches, reading and summarizing documents, sending emails or Slack messages, querying databases, triggering automation workflows. Tool use is what turns a passive assistant into an active worker. Think of it like giving the agent arms and legs to get things done. Some popular platforms like Auto-GPT or LangChain build agents specifically to chain actions together using multiple tools. Memory is another key part of intelligent agents. It helps them remember what they've done in a task, learn from past outcomes, keep context between interactions. Short-term memory helps during a single session or task, while long-term memory allows for growth and personalization over time. Some systems even include vector databases to recall past experiences based on semantic similarity. This allows more intelligent and contextual decision-making. Let's look at a real example. Say you want an agent to write a blog post on AI trends. 1, you give it a goal, write the blog. 2, it researches current trends using online sources. 3, it drafts an outline. 4, it writes and revises each paragraph. 5, it checks grammar and style. 6, it saves the final copy and even schedules it for publishing. You didn't tell it every step. You gave it a goal and it figured it out. That's the power of intelligent agency. Agents are not just tools. They are collaborators, planners, and doers. They observe, think, act, and evolve. As this technology matures, we'll see them take over more complex and valuable tasks in business, IT, education, and beyond. Subscribe to the Dummy AI Gent for more in-depth videos on Gen AI, automation, and how to use agents in real life.